Hi, I'm Chris Pito and I'm going to build a PC. Now, I've never actually built a PC before, but I have two mechanical engineers in the family, so hopefully it runs in the genes. Now, I'm a cinematographer, a video editor, and a light gamer. So I figured I'd pick parts that were appropriate for all of those lines of work and leisure, and this is what I came up with. The CPU I'm going with is the Intel i9-9900K paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, the Corsair H115i Pro liquid cooler, the Gigabyte Aorus Ultra motherboard, one HyperX 16GB stick of RAM paired with two ugly 8GB sticks of some generic ugly brand. But I got them for free, so I can't complain. Two 250GB Samsung SSDs that I'll configure in RAID 0, one Western Digital 4TB hard drive that came in some beautiful packaging, an 850 watt power supply, and this will all go into the Cooler Master H500M, which didn't fit in this jump cut sequence. So all you techies out there are probably thinking this is way too much overkill, and you're probably right, but who cares? I want a powerful PC, and I don't want it to crash when I'm editing a client's project. So without further ado, let's get into this build. I did it. And since this is my first PC build and nothing blew up, I consider that a win. But it did take hours and hours and hours of reading manuals. But I figured it out, and everything worked fine. Some complications I ran into were cable management. Cable management can be a nightmare, it's true, and I had a tough time figuring out which cables plugged into certain places. But other than that, performance-wise, everything works perfectly fine. The CPU doesn't go over 74 degrees on max payload. I play a lot of video games, I render a lot of video, and it's working perfectly. I couldn't ask for a better computer. If you're ever considering building a PC, but you're kind of on the fence, I just recommend you full send it and do it anyway. It's a daunting challenge, but it's very rewarding in the end, and it's nice to know all the little bits and pieces that go into the machine that you would probably use every day. So that's the end of my video. I'm really looking forward to building my next PC and don't really know when that'll be because I just built one. But if anyone who watches this wants a PC, just let me know and we can work something out. So bye.